Guys, here, check this out.
What is this?
You know how Joe's always because he doesn't like the paint? I got a little something for him. Here, open this up. He's gonna love this. Kingsley, you'll appreciate it.
What is it?
What?
While the sanding and bodywork was going on, a few of us got together and decided let's take it up a notch for this build for Kurt, for his wife, for his family, and really do it the right way, especially when it comes to paint.
Whoa, it's heavy. That's for sure.
So the day we were supposed to paint, the whole time I'm worrying about, how am I gonna do a nice paint job in this barn?
Obviously, we're out in the middle of nowhere, and dirt's the #1 enemy for painting a vehicle.
Kingsley, you know I was telling you about that inflatable, portable paint booth?
Uh-huh.
Pow!
You got us one?
What? That's awesome.
Let's just say I know a guy.
Now, this just isn't any paint booth. This is the inflatable 30-foot paint booth that goes up in like 5 minutes. Wow, this is huge.
They inflate it, and it was unbelievable to watch.
Everybody was excited because we knew the potential of what this thing can look like being painted in the right environment, and that green color was just gonna be spectacular.
This thing's awesome.
Kingsley, quit playing.
I'm getting out.
All right, Joe, we have to surprise you with this.
Okay.
Bring him this way.
The last time you guys did this, someone got hurt. I'm just saying.
Don't slam him into the truck,
Just
Heather.
watch your step, easy.
Bruno and Heather call me outside, cover my eyes, and I'm like, what possibly could this be?
Ready?
You ready? 1, 2, surprise.
What do you think?
No way!
Is that awesomeness?
You guys don't have to lie anymore. You really do like me.
Hey,
Look at that.
a mobile paint booth from Mobile Environmental Solutions. Bought it online, boom, dropped it about an hour ago.
You guys knocked it out of the
Well,
park.
you're always
You
talking
guys
about
did this for me?
Joe don't like to paint. Joe don't like to paint.
Joe don't paint, but he'll definitely paint with one of those. Okay.
Where are we going with this?
I couldn't wait to get stuff in this paint booth. There's plenty of room. Everyone just kind of thought I was in a hurry. I just wanted to go play with the new paint booth, really. You ready to lock me in? I started jamming out all the doors that we had sitting there, all the tailgate, the hood. That's when I knew we have a great chance of doing a badass paint job on this truck.